Hello beautiful people out there, good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 17, and I'm making breakfast to take to center called MHA. It stands for Mental Health Associations. There's disabled people there, not that they are disabled, they are also homeless, and they stay at the center at MHA from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So today I want to show you what I'm going to bring for them for breakfast to celebrate Easter. So today I'm making Hello Kitty pancakes with my Hello Kitty pancake maker that I got from Amazon. I already made most of my pancake earlier this morning, but I'm gonna make the rest right now to show you how it looks like in my Hello Kitty pancake maker. And I also made some angel eggs with pink in the middle, because I usually make pink food. I usually make all pink angel eggs, but this time I only make the middle, the yolk pink. And if you like to see how I make all my angel eggs pink, you can check out my other video, how I make Valentine foods and pink food, where I turn some of the food into pink. So right now it's making the Hello Kitty pancakes right now, and it make 3 little Hello Kitty pancakes at the same time. So the red light is on right now, so it's making it. So when the green lights comes up, that means my pancake will be ready. So the green light just pops, and it's hot, and I have my Hello Kitty glove or mitten, no gloves on, and it makes 3 beautiful Hello Kitty pancakes. It's hot. So it looks like this on one side, and if you turn around, it looks like this. So I'm going to take them all out with my knife. Okay, so I'm going to make another one. This is probably my last one. I think I made like a total, I didn't really count, but I made over like 100 Hello Kitty pancakes this morning. And of course they can eat with syrups. So I'm able to make 3 more. Close it and wait for the green light to pop. And it's done if the green light comes up. And I think it's only take about a minute. I didn't really exactly watch the time, but it takes about a minute. Yes, I watched the time. It takes about a minute. The kitty face. The kitty logo. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what I made, the rest how I arrange it. Here's all the little pancakes that I just finished making. I'm putting in this plastic cake carrier to take to them, and I hope they enjoy it. And I also made a little individual for one of my friends that she stayed there. Her name is Rose. She cannot have angel eggs because she can't have egg products, so I made her a little special one just for her. Some pancake, her own syrups, and my friend and his lovely wife bought me some treats, so I'm going to share that with Rose. It's an Asian Hello Kitty Jello and Hello Kitty strawberry French cookies, and then Hello Kitty's Vienna coffee, Hello Kitty cookies for Rose. So I hope she enjoyed this one too. And in the refrigerator, I'm gonna show you the angel eggs that I prepared last night. So here it comes. Here's all the angel eggs. I hope you can see it, and I hope it's enough for them. I make the yolk into pink, and once again, if you want to see how I turn my food, some of my food into pink, watch my previous video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and happy Easter. I'm taking this to MHA, and I hope they enjoy it. And if you like watching my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video notifications. Thank you. Have a lovely day and be blessed and stay beautiful. Happy Easter. Love you.